Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm going to be working on the trunk to install the tail lights on the BMW. I don't want to waste too much of your time with everything, and there's a lot of videos that show you how to do it, but long story short, we need to remove this panel, we need to remove this little panel, same thing for this side, and then we can slide out the tail lights from here, tail lights from here up top, and then we have to wire our cables to here up this route and then zip tie them up in there. I'll show you some parts, but for the most part I'm just gonna skip through all of it, not to waste too much of y'all's time. So using a screw and the back end of a hammer. So if you actually have that tool, I don't have it, so I'm using the hammer, but if you have that tool that looks like this, you can kind of pry them out. And I believe that should loosen all of this so that we can remove it. That's this piece here out. Let's go ahead and put it inside. And you can remove these pieces, which just kind of slide out. There you go. That'll give you the ability to wire your cables into here, which we'll probably have to remove those. And then next we need to remove this piece here, but I'm still in the process of trying to figure out how to do that. So once I do it, I'll let you guys know what I did. Alright, so you also have to remove these, which are attached with a little screw right there. Just kind of like stuck my finger in here and just kind of pull it out of the way. I believe there's another one here, and it's kind of hard to get to. So what I ended up doing was, I'm gonna try to remove it, but it doesn't want to come out. So I just ended up like rotating this like that. So I really just only need access to this. Now for this one right here, I put my finger in through here and then just kind of started lifting. It's kind of hard to do while I'm recording, but there you go, see? And I'm lifting and just kind of lift. And again, I would do it slowly, but there you go. This little guy is what's like holding it in place, so you will need to make sure that you keep that somewhere safe. All right, so now we have access to the lights right here. We have access to the lights up here, and now we're just going to replace it. Okay guys, so I have everything like taken off here and the flashlight in here because I was trying to record in there, but it's a lot harder to get in there than I thought. And then I realized one thing, so this is just an FYI for you guys. These are the little ones that I got, and this is my 8mm. This is what you need, an 8mm. However, I need one that's much longer because the screw sticks out a lot and I don't have any. So I'm heading to Walmart because it's 9:27 and I'm pretty sure all the AutoZones and everything else is closed. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and see if maybe they have like a set that's not too expensive. But damn, man, I'm kind of pissed because this was supposed to be an easy project and it's turning into one heck of a freaking crazy ass project. But on the plus side, I got that one on, so that one looks pretty good. All right, well, I'm heading to Walmart. Let's see what we can find out there. All right, everyone. So I was able to get in there, but I had to remove this entire panel that was here. And same concept for this one. So I was able to get this one on so you guys can see. That's what it looks like. So it's like all blacked out. Those are my red shorts, but that's what it looks like. So I think it looks pretty good. I haven't tested them. They're not plugged in yet. I'm gonna try to put at least all the wiring back. I already got this one on as well. so you guys can see. That's what it kind of looks like. And now I'm gonna get this one on and then test the wiring, see if everything's good, and then try to put everything back. I will say that I believe when I removed this, I might have, not might have, look, here's a little piece, broken some little pieces here. Oops. So yeah, right there, those little ones. So that one still has it. And over here, that one still has it, but the center ones are broken. So I'm hoping that that's not gonna cause an issue and I'll be able to put it back and you won't hear any wiggles. I overreacted with all this, but it's really hard to get to that screw. So yeah, that's where we're at. So I'll hit you guys back up when I have everything wired up so you guys can see the results. All right, everyone, so it took a lot longer than it was supposed to, but I got them to work. I'll show you the actual animations and stuff once I put everything back together, because as of right now, it's kind of hard to do everything, but there it is. It works. So now I need to hide all those cables, put everything back, and then I'll see you guys with some B-roll shots. And it's dark outside, so that's good. All right, I will see you guys when I'm done.